Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to see your sent friend requests on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're worried if someone has accepted your friend request or not, you can go ahead and verify that and check it easily. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top to our name. So here's Timbo's page, so let's select this. And then we can go on down to where it says Add Friends. And then we can go on over to Sent Friend Requests right here, and look at this. So under this screen, we can see the two sent friend requests that I have on here. So for this person, so they did not accept it yet. So I can delete it at any point in time. It looks like I sent the friend request at 2/5 of 2024. Same thing with this person, same date, around the same time. Now, when they add you as a friend, you should see them as a friend on your friends list when they sign online. So this person was on like 40 minutes ago. So I only have like 6 friends under here. Otherwise, you can try searching for a friend with a user code or something like that. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.